if ulandele ibhola lasemzansi ngishoba no asewuzoyita oreyiningi ngosaleng Sundowns yamfuna, Chiefs yamfuna, Pirates ayifuna ukumdlalisa, is going through personal things. Yes, sekasebenza mafama, inkomo zakhe, you know, a lot of things have been said about Saleng lately, and apparently the reason that he's no longer playing for Orlando Pirates is that his agent, maybe let's say his agent had they want a pre-contract in the Sundowns. So, but then I think the Pirates found out about Leo pre-contract. I feel like maybe that's the sideline they're gonna say I want Bambegele sighting. But what I don't understand, okay, sharp. Untwana when I pre-contract in the Sundowns, because literally pre-contract in simple terms. Ngisa contract in the Pirates. Ngisachilile ngifuna ukuze idayile yami yaphela. I-contract yami nayo yaphela and bathulile. So i-agent obvious mele enze plan ukuthini, okay singaya kuphi mangaba asasifuni la. Yangithola khuluma nama team different, you know, get offers from Saleng, you know, you have to do that. Yangithola. So obviously if Pirates doesn't want to sign a contract for Untanga, but Eda Machankuranyana come on fit for a player like Saleng. I know the Uma rankings wabo, but Saleng is homegrown, cool. Marama ngabe mfethu le ntwana lesekhulile awusafuna ukuyidlalisa ufuna ukuyidedela. Okay sharp, mainly the main reason ukuthini wo like okay I understand modlala idiski ngicala sofuna ukuhamba yini asekho grand la yabo. So I don't think Saleng literally did this angatshelanga iOrlando Pirates, because Saleng uyayithanda iOrlando Pirates sibali. Untanga unethathu iOrlando Pirates, you can get me. So untanga mfethu I feel like thina emzansi and I feel like you into eswisayo nama diski abhaya ngithola asithanda ukuyekela or asithanda ukubona ama player wethu akhula, you know. Obvious Saleng ukhulele Pirates was trained, okay singathi ukhuliswe iPirates uyangithola development everything wethu uzokwenzile seyasijikela, you know. But what you're paying me asile mali grand, you know, for the wendlala ngakhona ngingathola ngakhona ukwenza inyuke ngaka ngu-Sundowns yangithola. Enye into esilibala I feel like with South African football we forget that our football players abantu nabo mfethu mele baphilise banemindeni babonayo, and if this class emzansi sibhekela abantu abaningi sibali yangithola. We do make money, at least even now. I know previously our soccer players wakudala they weren't making that money, but now I won't lie, my soccer player yenza new yangithola. So if you're not gonna offer me that much ngidlala kanje njengoSaleng, Sundowns City izongigada this match nithini mangaba unayo leyo mali ngitshela ukuthi amansaleng I can meet you halfway man, sakuthanda intwana yethu la sifuna uhambe but singakuedela nyana yangithola. But right now ufuna ukunyusa salary sekakhulile, because why he's being loyal kule team. Mara masekasho ukuthi mara chance awuthi ngithi cacanyana ningiedilini, because nami sengiyanceda yabona i-team nayo iyapush, you don't want to add. Masakutshela futhi ukuthi okay laba bathi bangangaya imali so it's a bad thing. Like I feel like we don't want to grow our soccer players. Send us loko sibabona but yeah ngicabanga uzophalela uphi ngaba ngahamba ngePirates, you know, it doesn't build our players. I feel like now even national team wise nalento yethu holding on into players, release, let them go bra, bayothatha experience babuye ngayo bafundise laba bethu. That's one thing I feel like maybe asinayo emzansi, but that's a story for another day, you know. Apparently so that's that Orlando Pirates ithola ngale ndaba, so I feel like maybe that's what they are punishing him for. But kanjani, because intwana mele iphile, we have families to take care of people. Ukhumbule mfethu Saleng sihlanya ngayizibona uthatha moment of the match, but team wise it's helping the team to win. But yeah, okay I know it's only the players never bigger than the bench yangithola, but what if the player is doing good bro for the bench utholani yena. Siyathanda silo sibona ama player wethu yo ulala utshwala yo it's yangithola sikayabhema. Come on guys, like literally serious le ndaba kaSaleng, I don't wanna lie, I don't like what's going on. So I feel like if Pirates is not gonna wanna probably add some chankuranyana yangithola and keep him, loan him out then or mangan samfuni, because right now you're literally wasting talent uhleli, you know. And imagine what that does to a soccer player of his caliber. Saleng umnandi sibale. Like I feel like even right now the way Pirates they just need that boy. You would see. Mara manje simbekile just because asifuna ukedi man. Mangafuna ukedi man, let him go. cool, they get some experience, bro. You know? So I don't wanna lie, bro. I don't understand what's going on. Maybe with Pirates or whatever. Or maybe it's an agency thing, as I'm saying allegedly. But I don't wanna lie, this Saleng thing, bro. Let's get this back. Let's get this boy back to the fold, bro. Like I don't wanna lie. No man, I go Chiefs. Skamtata ukhosi ngawara. Can't even loan him. Let this player play, mfethu. We don't have that much players as fun about Saleng, mfethu. We don't. Siyaleka, you know. So I don't wanna lie, I don't wanna lie. I don't know how I feel about this because literally it's literally just putting me always. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, but I love seeing good talent play football. It's the reason I watch football. Beautiful football. But manje masina player njalo singafuna ukwadlala. Gonna sisibaphanisha ukuthi bafuna yenza a better thing for their life. They are soccer players. They are human beings. Again, on these people. So I wanna lie, please let me know how do you feel about Saleng's situation and when I'm up here, because I feel like Song and Jay we just in shambles. But apparently allegedly it's because of that. Please let me know how do you feel about the situation in the comment section. From me, Katlego Sparkles, aka The Juice. I'm out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.